Hi, families of Head Start, and I just wanted to introduce you to the Bitmoji Second Step classroom that I created here. You can see it in the background. Um, there are, right now, I think I am up to lesson 15, which is actually the lesson of this week. Um, every single week since the beginning of school, we have been doing a lesson a week. So there's 14 lessons here. Some of them I already have posted. I'm just going to add this document to the Seesaw. And so when you open it up, it'll have 14 slide presentations that you can open up and explore with your child. So just want to navigate the classroom here. Most of the Bitmoji classrooms you can see look very similar. There's me sitting in the chair. There's a little circle rug. Here's our little puppet friends. These are, if you click on them in the bookshelf, there are stories in the bookshelf. You click on this, I will fix the link. This is the Head Start, the second step attention song. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen all the time, all the time. This should also be a link, which it needs to be a active link. This is a link to the PowerPoint for that lesson. You can also click here and it'll open up the preview for that lesson. So each of these lessons, um, caring for others, asking for help, um, experiencing strong feelings is the one we just discussed. You click on this week 14 or click here, it will open up the preview. You know what? I think I'll do that. I'll open the preview, managing feelings. So now if I have the preview, then it won't click me away. Okay, so the preview. So this is the title page. The lesson objective is always up there. The why the theme matters. A lot of it's for you to read prior to discussing with your child. These are books. You click on those and you can watch the book with your child. You can talk about what you saw. There's a puppet story here, some songs. You click on the links. This is the actual story that describes this picture. Encouraging your child to follow along, language comprehension, reading comprehension, answering WH questions from a story, explaining more about this picture, about what the little girl is experiencing. Then just several activities that you can do with your child. Here's a song, When My Feelings Very Strong. That's from the second step. This is an activity, introduce the activity. We're going to practice putting our hands on our tummy and telling our strong feeling to stop. Here's a poster from Elmo, also really great resource, Sesame Street Communities. You can share your child's favorite story, what they liked about this particular unit, what they learned, some more reflection, games, activities. This is a feeling memory card match, so you would take turns with your child. If I was not in preview mood, I could show you. So you'd say, okay, what number do you want? 1. What other number? 8. Do they match? No. Okay, now cover it up. Okay, pick another one. 1, 2. Do they match? Yes, you found a match. That's how you play memory. And then here's some more extended practice of the same on that theme, strong feelings. Sesame Street Communities video, some resources from